Hinduism is all about contribution. I tell you. I really tell you. I do not comment on politics, but this one line I want to tell. If Ayodhya Ram temple is built, India will become rich economically. Because the principles of Rama is all about contribution. If the principles of Rama is revived, if Rama Bhakti is awakened in Indian consciousness, it will become so much contributing. India will become wealthy, I tell you. India will become wealthy, I tell you. Anyone who gives money to build Rama's temple in Ayodhya is contributing for Indian economy. Of course, I have nothing. I am not even a member of any organization. But I'll strongly recommend my sannyasis, my disciples to contribute whatever you can to build Rama temple in Ayodhya in every way. Because Rama is all about contribution. Rama is Tyagaraja. His whole life he has contributed. Even he is sending Sita to forest is his Tyaga. Understand? He was in extremely love with her. Literally, Sita is part of Rama. Like how Parashakti is part of Paramashiva, Sita was part of Rama. But to keep the social stability, he sacrificed even Sita. It was more painful for Rama than Sita, understand. The modern day feminists go on abuse Rama for this one act. I tell you, Rama suffered more than the Sita for sending Sita to forest. It is sacrifice of Rama to keep the social stability. Nobody can contribute like Rama. Rama is embodiment of Tyaga, Tyaga Raja. And we should not judge those great people's act based on the today's modern days situations and social setup. See, at that time, what was the society? How was the situation? All that we should think before judging them, commenting on them. It's not like a Facebook post you read and you put any comment you want. No. I'll contribute in my own way to Rama temple. I don't want to say I don't have anything. Lakshmi is with me. I know. So, we'll contribute. We'll contribute in right way to build Rama temple. Building Rama temple will raise the economy of India. Rama Bhakti spreading is good for whole India in every level. socially, morally, spiritually, economically, legally, in every level, Rama Bhakti spreading is good for India and the whole world, actually, in a way. And Rama temple happening is the best thing, greatest thing for the world.